folks, Susan Dillman-Stilz here at Mount Comfort RV with an exciting new floor plan from Coachmen. It's their Mirada 35ES, and there's a lot to talk about. First of all, I want to draw your attention to this LED light strip here at night. That's just going to light up and just give it a great finish. We've got this really heavy-duty looking grill that gives it a little bit more of a modern, tough look. But inside, this is what you've been hearing about, Ford's new V8. Ford believes they've come up with a new engine that will do a little bit better on gas mileage without sacrificing horsepower or torque. So you're going to be 350 horsepower and 400, I think 80 pounds of foot-pounds of torque on your Coachmen Mirada 35ES. Well, let's button her back up and start kind of taking a look, going around the outside. So we walk down this way. One of the new things that you're going to see in the Coachmen Mirada is the location of your outside speakers. They're going to be right here in the base of your awning. You can Bluetooth those, play all kinds of music, stream what you need to do outside. You'll also have that to be the sound for your television, your outdoor television. You're going to have these slam latch doors, and they're side open, which is a great feature, folks. Inside, I don't know if you can see, you do have a nice 1200 watt inverter, and that's going to operate your residential refrigerator inside. And that's what we're seeing more of in the RV industry now, is a residential refrigerator. We're not seeing those LP gas models anymore. Another little cubby of storage. Coachmen's hallmark. They have lots of places to store. You can actually see this is sort of their up and over storage. So if you have a ladder, long lawn chairs, anything, you can actually get up and over on both sides. Yet another big place to store more of your stuff. One of the advantages of a Class A motorhome, this is going to be one of your tanks. Another little storage cubby right here. Access to your water heater. And then as we come around here, this is a great feature of the Coachmen Mirada as well, and that is your rear fueling center. So it doesn't matter which side of the pump you're on, you're going to be able to get your Coachmen filled. All of your sewer tank flush, drainage access, can't talk today. Shore power. And there's your Cummins beefy 5500 watt generator. That's going to operate both air conditioners. Your Coachmen Mirada is going to be equipped with two 15,000 BTU air conditioners that also have a heat pump. Your roof is going to be fiberglass, and on top of that roof, you're going to have a 100 watt solar panel. Now let's skip around and go inside the Coachmen Mirada, where I've got a couple of secrets to share with you. Okay, so now we're inside the Coachmen Mirada 35ES. This is Coachmen's new floor plan for the Mirada. They've done some really cool new things. For one, they've made the captain's chairs a little bit wider. These will swivel all the way around into the living space and give you a nice cushy space to enjoy a little bit of company or relaxation. Of course, you've got your dinette. Table drops down, cushions fill in, and this is a place to sleep somebody. And then over here, not a jackknife sofa, but you have a genuine hide-to-bed sofa. That's going to be standard in the 35ES. You can opt out, though, for two power recliners. So if you'd rather have that facing your beautiful Jensen television and your electric fireplace, which is also going to act as a little bit of a furnace in your Coachmen. It's a little bit of a space heater. And you won't have to fire your LP furnace or your heat pump. This is the way to go. This is your half bath. This is a bath and a half model. So the nice thing about it is you can have guests in your coach. They're not going to have to troop all the way through your bedroom to use the facilities. Now I want to talk about one of the secrets of the 35ES. The space right here does triple duty. So we're going to start out with two bunks, and then you're going to see how I'm going to turn this into office space. So for those of you who want to travel and work from the road, we've got the perfect space for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold up this mattress, folds up 4 times, just like that. pops out. And then if we look right here, this is hinged. This part of the base for the mattress, by the way, these bunks are rated to 300 pounds, flips up very easily. Ouch, that was a pinched finger. Back like that. We're going to pull up the mattress off of the floor like this. This pops out as well. Out of the way. And then right here, up against the wall, stored with magnets, which is awesome, is your office chair. Fold that out. And voila, you have an office. Now inside, Tony's showing you have USB charge, you have a nice 110 outlet, cable and satellite hookup, and you could probably mount a sliding keyboard drawer underneath here and still have plenty of room for the person who's on the bottom bunk. Now we're taking a look at that third use for this space, and that is as a wardrobe. They've already included a clothing rod here, so you can actually use this as a closet. If you have guests, pull your things out. Need to work in the office, just push them back. But it's a great way to make triple use of the same space. So as we walk back in here into the bedroom, let me get the cushions out of the way. Nice big king size bed with a little bit of a ledge on both sides, USB chargers on both sides for you to be able to set your tablet or your phone. And then up above, you can see this area is lighted. This is a great feature. This is Coachmen's CPAP station. They call it their CoachPAP station. So this little location right here is where your tubing can come through, and up here is where your device can be stored as well as powered. It's a great way to keep things up and out of the way. Everything in its place and a place for everything. You have some additional storage in both of these side cabinets. Now in this particular model, you do not have storage under the bed. However, you do have some great storage over here. Nice little chest with full access drawers. Everything is going to be the soft close drawer. And then up above here, this is our other little secret. This opens up and you have a great hiding place back here. If you have valuables, some people do travel with a firearm. It's a great place to kind of get things up and out of the way that someone unfamiliar with your coach wouldn't be able to find. Back here, we have another great closet space. Now, there's some confusion about what this space can be. It is a closet. You could put a washer dryer in here. However, it is not ready prepped. So that would require a little bit more work. You need to actually create a hole to the outside for your dryer vent, but you do have the space and you're close to plumbing and wiring so that that could be accomplished. Just know that it would be a little bit more expensive than your typical charge. Now as we step into the bathroom, oh wow, amazing, amazing shower. First of all, you are on a porcelain foot flush toilet. More storage here, more storage here. You've got a great residential size vanity. Look at all of this great counter space. Awesome for getting ready in the morning or getting ready to go out by the campfire. But it's the shower that takes the prize. I'm going to step in. Look at this. Wow. I've got some major elbow room in here. This is a human-sized shower, and you've got a beautiful glass door here, no curtain to mess with or get tangled up in. Got a great shower head, and not all one piece, but virtually one piece, and plenty of room if you wanted to put a seat in, but you don't have to take one if you don't need one. Stepping back out, we're going to walk back up this way through the coach. Of course, your galley's pretty standard. Here's that residential refrigerator we talked about, and the 1200 watt sine wave inverter, being able to run this. Lots of room for food, lots of room for drinks. Nice big residential size freezer with an ice maker, so no need to run out. Your microwave is a standard microwave, not a convection microwave. You do have an actual oven and a 3-burner cooktop with a good sturdy grate over your burners. Solid surface countertops and Double barrel sink, folks. We kind of saw a lot of sinks in the RV industry following a trend to the single barn type sink. Now we're seeing kind of the pendulum swinging back to that double barrel, and of course, pull down faucet as always. There's one more thing I need to show you, one more secret in our Mirada 35ES. There's one more place to sleep someone. Can you find it? Well, if you said overhead, you would have been right. This is a drop-down bunk. There are some pins that will secure this while it's in motion. But when you want to lower it, it's actually going to be motorized. It's not a manual drop-down bunk. It does keep it a little bit more secure. Up and out of the controls to use this are up and out of the way, so it can't be accidentally manipulated by a young child. They won't get hurt. There's a net too that will kind of secure blankets and pillows and prevent someone from rolling just out of the bunk without realizing that was what was going to happen. So, folks, that's a look at our Mirada 35ES new floor plan. I couldn't possibly tell you about all of the great features in this coach, so why don't you give me a call here at Mount Comfort RV. Again, I'm Susan Dillman-Stilz. Look forward to hearing from you.